Guys, we're still in Blackpool, guys, and it's a lovely day, guys, today. Very bright. It's a very bright day, guys. After the storm, it's back to business. Back to business. Nice and bright. People are gone to work, traveling. So you see man with a suitcase. I'm not sure where is he heading off. Yes, Blackpool. Man is cleaning. Fags, boats. Cleaning for Mark Kelly's. It's definitely for Mark Kelly's. It's not the Blackpool Council. It's not Blackpool Council. It's definitely cleaning for Mark Kelly's. People that don't dispose their cigarette butts in the right way. And this is our tram. That is the tram. Tram gotta wait for the light before it goes to the station. There you go. See, nice sunny day, guys. Nice, amazing day. Oh yeah, we can cross through. We can cross. We can cross. Look at this sun, man. It's shining out there, but it's still cold. Still freezing cold. It is still freezing cold, guys. Freezing. Side. People in the vehicle staring at me. Don't know what they're staring at. But anyway, let's walk past again. Okay. So that's, guys, it's a chemist. It's a chemist there. Addicts goes and take their, take their treatments and stuff. Obviously. So they use the back door. The back door of the chemist right out on the road. I used to see some that used to come as well. Tesco's have a chemist as well, so addicts comes in the morning and have their, I don't want to mention the name, but they comes and have their treatments, early morning dose to help them for withdrawals and all that. But yeah, it's gonna be my spotting face. Spot. See, someone just walked in as well. Someone just walked at the back door. Obviously, the back door, they don't come at the front, they usually go at the back. Actually, it's free. It's free for all of them. All of the, people with problems. Wow, nice. Who says only black men got big batty? Sorry, excuse my language. Who says only black men that got big batties, man? Guys, I'm joking, guys. Get a bit of sense of humor about my jokes sometimes. Yeah. There's no discrimination on that. Some get a big one, some got small ones. If you're blessed with a big one, you're blessed with a big one. If you're not blessed with a big one, still give thanks. Well, it's not only black men got big batties. Or black women. So obviously white women got big batties too. If you know, you know. Alright, let's go. It's a busy Monday morning, guys. Busy Monday morning in Blackpool. So here we are. Seems like they're running some pipes. They're running some pipes, the workmen. Running some pipes, digging and burying. Digging and burying, guys. Here we are. Doing their job. Big up to the workmen's. Keep it going, keep it going. Big up to all the workmen, drivers and everybody. It's a bus stop. Oh. How are you doing? You okay? Big up to you. Are you from Blackpool?
Yeah.
Are you?
Yeah.
Born and bred?
Yeah, what are you doing?
I'm just showing people about Blackpool. Is there anything you can tell people about watching about Blackpool?
No.
What do you think about Blackpool? No? No good? Is it good or not good? No good. Alright, take care, pal. Alright. Say Blackpool no good, guys. Say Blackpool no good. Alright. But anyway, it's never too early for a beer, for a pint of beer. Never too early for them. But it's like me. No disrespect to them. It's like me. I need my brew. I need my cup of tea every morning and every afternoon, every evening. You know, it is what it is. So no disrespect, no blame to anybody. So we all got our habits, either good or bad. Some people it's no choice. You know, some people they feel like that's the only way they can turn on. Like something that they're gonna keep, that can keep them going. So all those things another way around, but for the others things, yeah, that's they only have to turn to drinks. Infinity nightclub. This is the nightclub, guys. It used to be flamingos. That's a lot of beans in there, man. It used to be flamingos, mingos. Yeah, it used to open like till late hours, till early morning. You know, bank holidays. I can remember this time they used to open till like 9-10 a.m. in the morning, man. You'd be coming out, it'd be daylight. Whilst you're in there, you think, oh, time is not. You don't even bother looking at the time. But the moment you walk out, you say, damn, is that the time? So guys, you see the tower? You can see the tower every corner in Blackpool, man. Almost every corner. Every corner in Blackpool, you can see the tower. So we're blessed in that point, in that, you know. Anywhere you are, you will see the tower. And that is the car park there. Talbot Road car park. The multi-story car park. If you're using the gym, that's the car park you use. And if you're going to Mr. Bastra as well, that's the car park you use. So yeah. And here's the Holiday Inn, guys. Holiday Inn. So guys, I'm pretty sure this is going to be a car park, because how can you get a Holiday Inn, a big, you know, like I could say a 5-star hotel right in the center of town without a car park, you know? So definitely this is going to be the car park, I believe. Both staffs and guests will have access on to use. Let's see what's going on. Oh, someone just pulled up right at the flying handbag. Okay, is that a delivery? Might be a delivery. So now Uber Eats is everywhere, guys. You can just order and get it delivered. Yeah, McDonald's, Uber Eats. Uber Eats. It's having his break here. Getting all delivered. Might be one of the staffs or managers. He's got to approve that he's received it. Okay, very smart. Very smart way. So the delivery man made so he confirmed that he's received his food. So he's not going to turn back and say, I've not received my food, it's not been delivered. I believe some people will do that. But anyway, so the delivery man has confirmed. Food has delivered. Confirmed he has received the food. Either he's going to be happy with it or not. Either he's warm or cold or not. He can complain later. He could give them a feedback. Blackpool Seaside Hotel. Okay. That's a seaside hotel. Seasiders. Seasiders. Tangerine. Blackpool Tangerine. And in the football field there's a seaside area, you know. So got names on every corner of the football stadium. I remember when I used to do security there, so you get posted, you know, the hotel A and the seaside and stuff like that. It's all been named. Yeah, I remember that name, the seaside area. Okay, and guys, that is a Blackpool North train station. Someone will be traveling there soon. Someone will be taking their train there soon. Stay tuned, guys, you don't want to miss that. Someone will be boarding, embarking from Blackpool North train station to somewhere else, somewhere around the world. So keep an eye, guys. That's why you should put your notification on. Subscribe and put your notification on, then you don't miss out. I'll be embarking here sometime very soon. And guys, do you remember that? You remember this? We spotted it at the first time it was getting painted. We spotted them painting, doing their graphic. You know, first time they started it, we spotted it and we covered it. If you watch some of our videos, you will see that. You will see that painting over there. Guys, it's like a bright day, very bright, but still cold. As you can see, everybody's got their winter clothes. Look at me, man. Look at the lanky man. Can you see, guys? Can you see the lanky man? Look. Like, I look very tall there, man. Look at me. Look at my shadow. Wow, look the way I'm walking there. Look funny, innit? Alright, guys. Lively up, guys. Oh, shit everywhere, man. Look, dog shit. This is why people say Blackpool is a shithole. Because of this, man. People don't bother picking up a dog site. Pick your dog site, man. So that people can rate Blackpool a better place. You know, people are saying it's a run-down town because of scumbag like this, living their dog shite everywhere. You know what I mean? Guys, by the way, I don't live around here. I don't live around here. Where I live, it looks a lot nicer. I don't live around here, guys. Shit all in it. It's like a sight all, man. Oh dear. It's Bank Street, man. Bank Street. So Blackpool, you can never get lost in Blackpool, man. Just keep walking and walking. You'll find your way. You'll recognize somewhere. You can never get lost in Blackpool. Oh yeah. Guys, I'm gonna wrap this up soon, guys, and thank you very much for watching. So you can't even see me because of so bright. You see that African World Traveler here? We're gonna wrap it up soon. So stay tuned. There's some exciting moment coming up soon. Stay tuned and put your notification on. We'll be showing you some changes. We're gonna change some surrounding. You're gonna see something different soon. So peace out, guys. See you guys soon, yeah?